Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do the unboxing and update of my most recent purchase from The Right. He also goes by Lacal. The owner's name is Diamond. And I saw somebody in the Facebook group post their purchase from him. I think it was like a personal size with the peacock leather and the Dark Knight. The person had a Dark Knight pocket out in the front, and it was really nice. And so I was very, very inspired by her. I think she also has a YouTube channel. I will post the link down below. I think her YouTube channel is Nicolasa or Nicolasa. So I decided to tag along with her. Well, she was a big inspiration with this combination. I decided to go with a trifold with the grab and go closure. I wanted to, with the grab and go, you usually get the card slots on the left hand side, but I decided to go with a big pouch, like a big pocket. So you can see here, Diamonds included a magnet and the elastic. Usually the elastic page holder is, sorry, it's elastic, but it's actually leather now. This leather is so squishy and so soft, and it smells really good. But like I was saying, with the grab and go closure, there's usually those card slots on the left hand side. I decided to go with a dark, it's called a brownie, the brownie leather big pocket, so that I can stuff some pens in there. The brownie leather is, he's thinned it out. Diamond knows that I really like the thinner leathers, so he's thinned out the leathers before making the notebook. And that's really one of the great things about his shop, is that if you prefer thicker leathers, you can tell him that. A lot of his leathers are on the thicker side, but if you do prefer them to be on or like thinned down, you can definitely ask him, and it's very customizable. Like I say, with the grab and go, there's all those credit card slots, but I told him I don't really use them, or I don't feel like I will be using them for my purpose, and so I've asked him to put that big brown pouch in the front, or big brown pocket in the front. And so a lot of things are very customizable. You can email him, and he responds very, very quickly. He probably works every day, to be honest with you. So now I'm just sharing with you my setup. The current books of the field notes, I think I forgot to mention, this is a field note size. The current notebooks were housed in the pink one there, and so I've switched it. It's called the jelly cover. I don't think he has it in stock anymore, but so I've switched it to this Dark Knight and peacock leather combination, and it's very, very nice. I'm not a big black leather, like, you know, my videos, you see a lot of the neutral colors, the brown colors, but this is so perfect for this season, I feel like. And I'm trying my best to share with you the different lighting. The lighting in my new place is very strange. I find that it goes quite yellow or kind of brown at sometimes, so I'm trying to find the best lighting. But yeah, so this is the closure, the page holder. It's now leather, and this is another part, I guess, of the unboxing. I added to my order this card case. I needed a card case. My wallet is just not, there's too many cards in there, so I decided to put the absolute essentials in here and have this one with me all the time. Yeah, it has 3 card slots, and at this current time I believe I have 2 in each slot, so there's 6, and then there's 1 card slot in the back that I keep for my pass, and it's perfect. It's so nice. The leather is called Pink Peach, or Peach Pink, I think is what it's called. It's nice and thin, so you can fit several cards in there. It's nice and bright, so that if you were to put it in your purse, you can easily find it. I love the hot pink stitching that I chose. It really pops when you see it in the daylight. It's really, really nice. I really enjoy. I'm really happy that I purchased this card case. I will be tagging along at the end of this video an update of the notebook cover. Thank you so much. So here I am with the update. I did the unboxing I just did the unboxing and I filmed it. I didn't talk through the unboxing. I just felt like enjoying the whole unboxing process, and I thought I would just quickly get on here and do an update. It's really hard to see. I'm trying my best with the lighting. I really want to show you the beautiful colors. This is the Dark Knight. Sorry, it's been about a week or so now since I purchased it, and it's really nice. This is the Dark Knight. This is the Peacock, and I did request for like smoother leather, and this right here is just perfect for me. I don't know if you can see that. It is on the smoother side. You can see that. I've already taken it with me out, and it's rubbed against something there, and there's a mark which I absolutely don't mind at all. And even with the Dark Knight, there are some smoother parts over here. You can see there. And on the inside, I said you can you can use a textured part. This, I believe, is the brownie, and it is it's thin so that you can stuff it. It stretches, which is really nice. And it is very much textured and very, very pretty. I wonder, I decided to keep the leather tag. I decided to keep the leather tag because I wanted to compare, but it's only been a week, so I highly doubt there's any change. But this is the thickness, the original thickness. So that is the original thickness of the leather. And I did ask him to thin it down so it's quite... I decided to put a postcard here in the back because I was finding that this beautiful postcard is from Mirai Cat, but I found that it was starting to develop this line here because the leather is on the thinner side, because I did request for thin leather, that there was a line starting to develop here from the page holder. So I decided to put something like a postcard. It fits perfectly. This is the Field Notes size, but yeah, it fits perfectly in there. And I have my Field Notes books, 2 notebooks for my kids. I don't do it daily, so it's really like a once in a while thing. I also have my Novelty schedule, but I will most likely move this out and put this in the Passport Traveler's Notebook. I think I want to keep this as my everyday carry and not necessarily carry all these other extra notebooks. This is my December daily that I will hopefully start today or tomorrow or sometime this weekend. So I wanted to house that in here. But yes, I think my original thought was if I had this in here with my Field Notes notebooks for my kids, that I would journal more in here, but it's just too much. Unless I take this and use this with something else, but so I think I will move this and put this with my Passport TN. It started in November, the last week of November, and I thought maybe I could practice some Japanese, but I don't know, I can't get into the mindset of doing Japanese kanji practice every single day. I know I should, but it's not moving forward. Like, it's already the weekend and I totally missed these days. But anyways, that's gonna be my everyday carry. This video is about this beautiful cover. There's also another pocket in here. The leather, like I said, is very, very soft and squishy, and it smells amazing. This is what the inside leather looks like, and that's the closure. That's the stitching part for the closure here. That's what it looks like. And it's nice and thin. So yes, here it is. Beautiful Dark Knight leather with peacock inside and the brownie. So pretty. And this is in the Field Notes. Sorry, my daughter's here. Hopefully Hopefully you can see that in the sun. The sun is out now, so. And I'm really enjoying the grab and go closures for my notebooks. So that is the update. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. I will leave the links, of course, to his Etsy and the Facebook group. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.